Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent these beautiful mums. Now there are 16 different stems in here. They're so pretty, and they do come in a variety of different colors. They're about 14 inches long, and they're really versatile because like the actual flowers can come off and be moved around if you didn't want them on there. All of the stems can be bent however you want them to be bent, and they are UV resistant. So you can put these inside or outside to create a beautiful, just realistic look without having to take care of them. So I'm gonna get all of these put in here, and then I'm gonna go set it out on my porch, and we are gonna see how these things look. All right, so I've got these outside and all put together, and they look so real. I love the look of all of them. Even the little leaves are all kind of like a multicolored look. I love how you can just leave them outside so you can put them in a planter and make it all big. I mean, these are just really realistic and beautiful mums that will look great all year long because you don't have to take care of them.